If you're losing money day trading and you can't figure out why, this video will save you thousands. I've made every mistake in the book and I paid the price for it. Today I'm breaking down 5 of the biggest trading mistakes I made that drained my account fast. Whether you're just starting out or already deep in the game, these are mistakes that are going to creep up on you and cost you real money. And trust me, the last one on the list is the most important. It nearly ended my trading career before it even started. First, ignoring stop losses. Now, when we all start out trading, we talked about how important a stop loss is, but I don't think we actually grasp how important it actually is. And for a while, you might be taking your stop losses, but I'm pretty sure we can all relate to this. You're trading and you're trading really well, and you're just making TP after TP after TP, and it seems like you can do nothing wrong until you get one trade that goes against you. And because you've taken so many trades, you now think you're the god of the market and you can't be wrong. So you're going to let this one run and you're going to hopefully wait for the bounce and wait for it to come back. Here's a real question. Do you have enough margin to carry out that position? Most of the time, the simple answer is no, because you don't know how far this is going to go against you before it blows your account. So the lesson to be learned here is always stick to the strategy, always take your stop loss. Number 2, overtrading. Markets will trend, they'll retrace or they'll consolidate, and then they'll trend again. Some strategies will work better in that trending market and some will work better in that consolidating market. So if we're trading a strategy that works best in a trending market and we're trading that inside of a consolidating market, we're going to get to this point where we are over trading. Take a look at the moving average cross, for example. You can see in a consolidating market how many crosses you're going to get, meaning you're going to take the trade every time it crosses, or you're going to be taking a stop more likely than not. So when you get into a position where the market is consistently giving you a trade and a stop, and you keep taking the next trade, you're going to get to this point where you are over trading, taking too many trades in the wrong market conditions, and you're going to be taking a lot of stop losses. Number 3, revenge trading. Now, revenge trading, to some of you who might not know, it's trading once you've taken a loss and trading with the intent to try and make up that loss. Normally, this is the wrong approach to have, because when you are revenge trading, automatically you are in the wrong mindset to take these trades. You should never be in the mindset of, how can I make this trade up? How can I compensate for that loss? You should take the loss, move on, and take the next trade when you get that trigger according to the strategy. Listen, I've seen a lot of people do this revenge trade thing, including myself, and I can tell you, it is not recommended. Number 4, impatience. Now, trading is 90% waiting, 10% execution. Most of the time, you're going to sit there, you're going to wait for your trade. But if you go and you stare at the charts for the whole day or for an extended period of time, you're going to get impatient. You're going to start to take trades that don't align with your strategy, that have nothing to do with anything you're trading, because you're starting to see things that aren't there. In trading, you need to have patience. The best traders are the ones with the most patience. And number 5, trading a strategy that you have not tested. So a lot of people, they get these strategies online and they don't actually go and do any testing on them. What's going to happen is you're not going to trust the strategy, which is going to allow you to take your TPs too early, the stops too late, and you're going to be trading in this mindset where, you don't know what's going on. All you're doing is trading what you're being told, and you must just hope it works. But with every strategy, you're going to need to trust it. So you need to back test it. And when you do back testing, you will know that you will start to trust that strategy a lot more. So when it triggers, you're not hesitating, you're taking the trade, you're putting the stop loss exactly where it needs to be, and you're putting the TP exactly where it needs to be as well. You're not deviating from your strategy, and therefore you can trade with consistency and a clear head. I know everybody hasn't got enough time to go and sit there and back test and formulate their own strategies. But, with our trading team, we have devised strategies over many, many years that have been tried and tested, all with a hit rate of 75% plus. Now, if you're interested in trying to get some of these strategies, what we do is we host a webinar every Wednesday night that is completely free. You guys can join, and we're going to be showcasing some of these strategies to you for free. So you can take these strategies, you can apply it to your own trading, and you can see if it works for you or not. If you're interested in joining our webinar, link is in the description. So click on that link and you can sign up. Seats are limited. We also have some strategy videos on our channel breaking down some of our strategies. So go ahead, give them a watch. They are on our channel. So please be sure to smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new around here. Turn on that bell notification icon so you can be notified whenever our videos come out. And happy trading.